So hello everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we are back again with your drawing series. So take out your marker pens and your sketchbook or your whatever white pages and let's start. So the first one we are making here is a minion, and I don't know how many of you know about him, though I don't know. So yeah, one of my friend was like mad about minions. So by 1 2 3 and your colors are done. Okay. Moving forward, what we are making here is, it looks like a very symmetrical flower, though when I draw, I am never getting these leaves. But you can make them the way we are making it, and done. Now moving on, what we are going to make the next here is is it a bunny? Okay, it is a bunny, guys. I mean, I always say, who could like be having these big ears? So it's all done, and yeah. Now moving forward, what we are making here is your beetle, I guess. Yeah, it is your beetle. And okay, you can actually use your marker pens, you can use your sketch pens, whatever, and then just start drawing with us. And yeah, you can fill the beetle with your desired colors and your desired art, but make it, yeah, it looks really nice. Okay. Now the next we are making here is, I think it's a basket full of veggies and fruits. No, it is not a basket. Sorry, cactus. I might be wrong sometimes, though I corrected myself, so I am not actually wrong. Okay, so your cactus is what we are making here, and you can give your desired design. For reference, you can actually use ours also, because we are making it really nicely. Okay, so yeah, so your cactus is almost done. Now once I'll say 1 2 3 and the colors are there. Okay. Now take out your crayons, not crayons exactly, these are called your oil pastels, and draw the way we are drawing, and don't think anything, first just roughly draw the colors and then we'll split them and you will be amazed by the result. Trust me, just trust the process and see. Don't you think it is looking really pretty? So yeah, that's what we were trying to teach you. Now moving forward, what we are making here is it a fox? No, I most of the time, okay, it can't be a fox because fox don't have, oh, it's a bunny only, he's going somewhere, I guess. I got confused for a while, yeah, I can also get confused sometimes. Okay, now moving forward, what we are making here is, okay, this is my fantasy coming true. That our moon is like having a house and I would be living there, and okay, so my fantasy is all about this thing, but leave it here and your colors are done. Moving forward, what we are making here is, it looks like a spaceship at first, but now it's not. It's your hen or chicken or whatever you call them. Though I don't know the difference. Yeah, I know the difference here. I'm not that dumb. I was just making you laugh, guys. So it's all done, and thank you for watching the video, guys.